guys, thanks for joining me and welcome. Today in this video, I'd love to share with you a beautiful home decor idea. It's a candle mirror wall sconce. You can use real candles in it if you like, or you can use an LED candle votive. This turned out absolutely beautiful, and I made it with some items that I brought from the Dollar Tree. So if you're interested in how I made this, just keep watching. So I'm going to start with this black framed mirror that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and it measures 10 by 8. And these are some of the numbers on the back and the label that you guys asked me to show you. Whenever I can remember, I will do that. And so right now I'm just going to take the plastic off of it. I'm going to take the backing off the mirror, and I'm also going to remove the mirror. I'm going to take the cardboard away. I'm not going to throw any of that away. I'm just going to put it off to the side. So here I'm going to use the DecoArt Shimmering or Dazzling metallic paint. This color is called Shimmering Silver, and I'm going to use this and a sponge brush, and I'm going to use a regular brush later to paint this frame. So this is the first coat of paint that I'm applying. I'm going to set it aside, let it dry for about a half hour, then I'm going to come back in and paint it a second time. So right now I'm just trimming back the silver acrylic rhinestone diamond wrap. I'm going to be using that to decorate the frame. So I've already pre-cut the pieces that I'm going to use. Guys, right here, this is a side note. I'm going to show you how you can remove the black lines from a lot of this diamond wrap that we've been buying from Amazon and other places. So what I'm going to do to remove that is take this permanent Sharpie marker. This is a metallic silver. And what I'm going to do is just simply run that marker across the black line, sort of removing it or coloring it over with the silver. So when you're using this in your projects and you want to use glass, you won't be able to see that through your projects. And these black lines, I don't know why they're there. They're on every one of the wraps that I've purchased, and this is how I remove it. It also works on the gold wrap as well. So I'm going to show you how I do that. I'm going to remove it exactly the same way. So if you purchase this wrap and you've seen the black lines on it and you don't know how to remove it, just simply use a marker the same color as the back of the wrap. This silver marker works really well on the back of the gold. So now that our frame has the 2 coats of paint and it is completely dry, now I'm going to apply the bling that I cut out earlier. So now I'm going to apply this bling all around the perimeter of the frame. I'm applying it in the inset of the frame. Now I'm going to apply the diamond wrap on the outer edge of the frame. And I'm using my tweezers to help press the glue onto the frame, as well as I'm using it for placement. It's easier to use tweezers to place a lot of the decoration for me. And this is what the frame looks like. It's completely bling the way I like it. And so right now I'm going to add the mirror and the cardboard backing. But first I'm going to apply the mirror, and then I'm going to seal it into place with some hot glue. I'm just going to remove any of the hanging pieces from the back of that cardboard, and I'm going to place that on top of the frame, on top of the mirror, and I'm just going to push the little pieces into place. Here's a small vase that I picked up from the Dollar Tree last summer as a matter of fact. And I'm just going to clean that off a little bit, and now I'm going to start to decorate that vase. So here's some pre-cut diamond wrap, and I'm just going to apply that to the center of this small vase. Now I'm going to use some moon rocks. This is a flat back decoration that I'm going to use on the frame. So I'm just showing you the size of the moon rock compared to the US quarter. So I'm going to apply that to the front of the vase, only on one side. I'm going to put that aside, and now I'm going to apply 4 moon rocks to the frame. Now I'm going to use some E6000 on the back of the vase. I'm applying it where the vase is going to touch the mirror. I'm going to set it on the mirror into place. Now I'm going to use this bag of coins just to add a little bit of pressure onto the mirror so that the glass can set. And I'm going to leave that overnight. In the morning, guys, this is what I had. A beautiful wall sconce. It came out absolutely lovely. Everything looks gorgeous on the mirror and in place very neatly. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Take care of yourselves, stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.